How to convert USDT on any chain to TON on Bitget wallet. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now of course the first thing that you want to do is to open up the Bitget wallet application. Now once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the trade button below your screen right here. From here, all you have to do is to click on the to address. Since we want to transfer our USDT to the TON coin, you want to click on the TON right here. And from here, we then have different chains. You have the BNB chain, Base chain, Polygram, Solana, Ethereum, and more. You can just go ahead and look for the chain that you want to transfer your USDT with. And once inside that specific chain, you can just go ahead and search for TON. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.